Hi friends, here your friend Rajnikant Excel Guru with a new amazing topic, that is how to update live in Excel without using a VBA. Okay, I'm going to teach this one today, and before I start this session, I request everyone to like, share and subscribe if you like the video, so that YouTube people will take that video and that video will be sent to those person who are searching for this video. I mean, say if I'm telling anything such a things like, so it will send to those people. Okay, this is the Excel, one of the amazing trick from 2000 Excel 2013 it is working. I don't know about the 2010 Excel 2010. So better you try by your own if you are using 2010. Okay, I'm taking the some live. I don't know which one I have to take, so I thought to take on time. Time will be every time it will update, right? So it is a site. So I will search for a site which is having that world clock time in India. Okay, right. This one. Observe clearly, guys. Oh, what's happened to this again? Connected. Reload. Again some problem. Oh, okay guys, I am back. Let me check it is recording or not. Yes, it is recording. So here is the time. Okay, maybe it won't work. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the time. Right, so I'm copying. It won't work, guys. Now it won't work. I will take another one like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm copying this one. Observe clearly, guys. I'm copying this one. How to get live data in Excel without using a VBA, right? So here, go to data. There is get external data from web. So it will ask the source from where you have to get the data, and it will pop up the Internet Explorer, not the Mozilla or any such things. It will open only the Internet Explorer only. So copy the site which you which paste the site which you copied just now and click on go. So it may be some errors over here for me. I don't know why it is coming. Since so many days I am trying for this. Check it's properly imported. See, still it is working. It takes some time to import. Check the time. Check the time, guys. Because it has to take each and everything from the site. So in properties, you will find refresh every 1 minute. Refresh every 1 minute. Okay. See here, there will be a pop-up window, external data range properties. Okay. So refresh every 1 minute. Okay. These are all the options are there. I will explain you later. Okay. Listen, I just see. Okay. And here it will be there. Okay, from 2013 it is working. I don't know about 2010. Okay, where is the clock actually? Yes, here it is in this format, 13 9. Is any other format? No format. So only that format is there. So I said that for every minute. I think it won't work because, okay, we'll try one thing. We'll convert this into time. Oh, it's not working. Then the time. Let's try like this. It is not showing anything over here. It has to show actually it is, I don't know why it is not showing. It is taking that one only. The short thing. Maybe it won't change, I think so. For 1 minute I said. Okay, we'll try another one. We'll try another one. I think it won't work because it converted to text. So it won't work. So control. Oh, select all. Done. Yes. Okay, we'll take another one. That's better. We'll take another one. It's better for us. Online clock, digital time net. Alright, we'll take this one now. Right. Copy this one. Copied. And go to data. And from data you'll find option get external data from web. Copy that which you paste that which you copied just now. This one, go. Okay, it will give me some error over here for me. Okay, import. It will pop up another window for us. From 2013 it is working. I don't know about 2010. So refresh every 1 minute. Here, by default it will be 1 minute only. 142 guys. This here only, right? Okay. Getting data from the server. Okay. Wait, the time is not that one, I think so. I don't know why it's not having the options. Why it's saying like this? It's a text, guys. So it won't work. It's a text. Where is the exact time? It is also not working, guys. It should be in time only. I will try another one. Give me some time, guys. Sorry. Back. For that reason, I asked in my group, is there any online? I mean to say that live score or live something like that. But no one has given me the right site for live. Time GOV. Okay, time GOV. Let's try this one. It should be a live. Then and make sure that there should be internet connection. Otherwise, it won't work because with internet only it will take the live data. Else it won't work. Sorry. I don't know why. What's happening? Much time. It's taking so much time. The online timer. I'll try the online timers. Online timers. Let's try this one. Okay, what's happening to me today? Again, there is a next problem for me. Wait, guys, there is a next problem. I have to check whether it is working properly or not. Okay, but we'll try this one. Online time and data. Okay, we'll try this one. Okay, it is like this. The calendar overclock, main overclock. Anyone which is main overclock. Hyderabad. but it's not working now. Just try this one. Okay, just try this one. 145, 145. You can check here. 145, 145, 24 seconds. Okay, so I'm copying that one. I'm going to the Excel. I'm deleting this one. Done. Okay, I want some external data, some web. I'm copying that. I'm pasting that site which I copied just now and click on go. It has to come actually. Some error will be there for me. I don't know why. See, this is the problem I'm facing. Import. It takes some time to import the data. Wait guys, it's taking some time. Don't do anything, just it will scroll this one. What's happening? See here you can see 146, 29, 30. Here you can see 147, 30. Take some time guys, so you have to wait for that. I'm helpless, I can't do because it has to gather data from the server. For that reason it is taking some time. I don't know what's happening here. Okay guys, the data is extracted into this one, not yet extracted. They have took that and it is asking to wait to extract in the Excel sheet. So before going there, from 2013 it is working. I don't know about 2010. I am using 2016. Okay, go to properties. Here you will find refresh every 60 minutes. So I am taking 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so it will ask you where to keep this extracted data. So I am keeping here D27. Okay, so getting data for a while takes some time. It is the time now. You have to check the time now. Time now, where it is gone? Oh. Yes, here you can see the time. I will color with this. Okay. Now time is 153. Already 153. So it took some time. So wait for a minute. Or you can refresh from here. You get refresh option here. Where it is. Refresh view. Here you will find the refresh option. So you can refresh. Actually it will update automatically. For that reason I am checking the refresh. Where the refresh button, insert in home, I think so. Oh, so see, it is refresh. See, 153.56, 153.56. For every minute I did, so we will wait for another 1 minute. Better. And one thing about coronavirus, please, precaution is better than cure. So don't give hands. Don't do hand. Shake hands. Use our Indian tradition, that is namaskara. It's better for us, for our health, and save the country from corona. It's humble request. Do namaskara and use masks. If you have any cough or sneezes, please use any handkerchief like this. See, it is refreshing now. See, 154.55. 154.55. Here you can see the time. Okay guys. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.